How to prepare a bake sale. Bake sales are a community fundraiser that almost anyone can participate in, whether it's setting up the stand, creating signs, baking the goods for sale, or selling. Preparing for the bake sale includes checking the rules on food safety, setting up the sale stand, and selling the baked items with enthusiasm. Steps. 1. Check your local food safety laws. In many European countries, for example, it is forbidden to sell prepared food without a permit from the local health department. Before you go through all the work of making and selling your treats, make sure you won't be busted and sent home 10 minutes after you started making money. 2. Make some homemade baked goods and set up a table. If you live on a busy street, you can put the table in front of your house, but if you don't, then you might like to ask a store owner if you can set up your table outside of their premises. This latter option will probably be more favorably received if you're raising money for charity rather than for yourself. 3. Gather up some friends to help you with your bake sale. The more, the merrier. Assign different jobs to your friends. For example, have some friends bake and some friends at the table. 4. Make brightly colored signs and hang them on places you are allowed. In most areas you are allowed to hang them on those wooden electricity poles. On the signs, always use the when, what, where, how, and why technique. Also make some flyers, and go door to door to people you know and give them out. 5. When you are ready for your bake sale, arrive a half an hour early to set up. When people come, ask, "Hello, would you like to buy something from our bake sale?" If they say yes, explain what everything is and the prices. 6. If you are in front of your house, have some people stand on the corner and hold a big sign for cars. 7. Enjoy the experience. It's as much about bonding with the community as it is about raising funds. Tips. Make sure that you make the baked goods presentable, not just all over the place. Make sure that everyone at your table is well groomed and wearing clean clothing. Make eye contact with your customers. Say please, thank you, ma'am and sir. Pre-measure whenever possible. If the brownies are 2 for $1, bag or wrap 2 together. Provide napkins. You will make a lot more money if you donate your money to a good cause. Many people will make a donation if they don't want anything or they don't find anything to buy. If you want to keep the money, just donate half of it to the cause, but make sure that you make this clear to people rather than cheating them. You might want to add sugar, free treat for those diabetics and dieters out there. Don't forget about them. Use attractive plates for food. For additional profits, sell a booklet with any original, not copied from anywhere, recipes for treats you're selling. Warnings. Do not put flyers in anyone's mailboxes where this is against the law. If you would like to put them in people's mailboxes, just ask a mailman to hand them out for you.